Yo, guys, you see that candle? We were just like up 100, but still right now we're up like 80, 88, almost 90. So I know that was a random way to start the video, but
We're about to be feasting. Let's go.
I'm hyped.
Wait for this New York session to kick open here in about, well, we got plenty of time. Let's see, I was about to look something up.
It's had a nice little drop there. If it just, I'm feeling like this is one of those times like on the 26th where it dropped and then had another big drop. You can see it right here on the chart. I wish my mouse could like show what I'm trying to, but basically where you see 26, 1305 right there, right after that, right where the 1721 time stamp is. That was an epic drop there. So what I'm hoping is about to happen here. Kind of see it's kind of creating that new, what is this, 15-minute candle. Trying to hopefully break down again like a big.
Sorry, I'm placing another trade right now on my other account. So in this, we're going to do 14785. That's TP.
We getting this content done. Sorry for the hiatus, guys. We are back. We were dealing with some things with our launch, just getting so much set up for you guys. But we are back consistently.
Yeah, the weather in Texas has been insane. Like the whole legal team was literally shut down for like a week and a half. It was insane.
Yeah, literally. Just to tell us to sign a paper again.
Exactly. I got that faxed over, so we should be in pretty good shape. Let me double check and see if we have any updates from them right now. Here in a second, guys, we're going to do a quick update here on this gold, kind of do like a weekly analysis where we expect this to go in the upcoming weeks. So definitely stay tuned for that. Just a little bit of intermittent stuff we're doing here in the beginning. Let's see if we've heard back from legals. Nope, haven't even heard back from them since I faxed the document. This was Saturday. What day did I tell you I faxed it? I hope it wasn't Saturday because now they're telling me they need more documentation.
But yeah, you guys, like I was gonna say, even if there's a slight retracement here back up, I think definitely overall, and I think that's probably Brad's analysis as well, that it's gonna go probably try to retest down here. But Brad's gonna do more of the official. Oh wow, that's cool. It says the S&R lines. I see you guys watch our previous video. What that means.
I just forgot to rename this one. Them sir lines. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Go ahead. This isn't my normal charting, guys. This is a different setup that I'm testing out here. So bear with me. Getting everything set up here.
I like how this looks more than the iPod version. I mean, iPad version, or the, I guess, mobile.
That's great. Your internet connection is unstable. So what we're really looking for, at least in the short term, is I think it said that about mine.
Damn.
It like hates us right now. But what I'm really looking for, let's see here. I think we could honestly push down into like the 1700 range if we go here to the daily chart. This is the next little bit of noise that we see on the left side of the chart here. The next little support resistance range area over here on the daily chart. Back in 2020, around between like March and basically the beginning of June, we had this bit of else other than right here. So I can see a 30-minute over here. We just need to see a break right here. This is the previous, this is like the open for Sunday from yesterday. So you can see it's kind of holding right here. Why is it not loading my chart properly? All right, dope. What is up, guys? Whoops, that is moving my stop loss. That is not what I want. Just give me 1 second. There we go. Setting up some support and resistance lines, some SIR lines right now, guys. Looking at this gold trade.
Watch the previous video about SIR lines. I think it's episode 6.
SIR.
Check out that our last video. We dropped to what is Forex as well.
Definitely got a lot of fucking content coming out. Already got some fire stuff out there for you guys to check out. We'll get into the juiciness of this video here in a minute, just kind of getting these charts set up. It's good to show this stuff though, show you guys. Got to have that little morning routine. Just like you got when you wake up in the morning, you might do your affirmations, you might hit a quick workout. Same thing with Forex trading, day trading in general. Got to have a little bit of a routine, get yourself started, ready to go for the day. Let's go over here to the daily chart real quick. We're going to be looking towards the 1700 range potentially.
Damn, this is crazy. Literally that's crazy that over the last about week, it's done like 100-point move, or I guess 1,000 pip.
Oh yeah, it's insane. It did roughly in one day I think it was Friday. If we look here, let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, literally right here, it moved like 500-600 pips in one day. That's why I love gold. Gold is like so volatile, but at the same time, it has so much volume, so much opportunity to make money. Gold is literally like, it's my bitch. I'm gonna make it my bitch.
Literally,
sometimes it makes a bitch out of us.
We have before, guys. If you guys like, we can show you different times where and show the actual profits. It's actually, join our Discord chat. You'll see different profits from different periods. Killing it in gold. Like, it's been probably our most profitable thing right now. You can see we're up 77. We show you guys the real shit. But
yeah, just in a small little trade here on this gold. We're basically looking right now. There's this SNR, the SIR line right here from where it opened up on Sunday. So you can see it's retested this area right here. It hasn't broke it yet, but we're looking for it to break here, and then these next two SIR lines on the bottom here before we're basically expecting this week for it to hit roughly 1700 range. There's a lot of strengthening in the US dollar, a lot of confidence, consumer confidence within the US dollar. So we're expecting for this pair to continue to drop, definitely make some serious profits here. You can see we're already up about $80 right now. Just a small little 0.1 lot size, nothing crazy. But for you people out there, like we've said before, we're gonna have multiple different account sizes to show you guys real results, something that's more attainable for you guys. Obviously, everybody doesn't have 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 100 grand to drop into a Forex account. We definitely have larger account sizes, but just going to be trading on different account sizes from time to time on these videos to kind of give you guys a realistic approach to making some money for you guys. So
yeah, you guys are going to see 1.0 videos at times, sometimes 0.01, and also our signals, we have those on separate accounts and some of our personal accounts. So that's not this account that we are using here to trade for you guys. So we're just specifically showing gold here.
I'm actually glad that you brought that up, because I think one of the biggest mistakes people make is they can't decide whether or not they want to swing trade, which is day-to-day trading, where you might hold a trade for 1 day, maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days, and they combine that with scalping and all these other different trading techniques. I think, guys, it is very, very important. If you don't have a lot of capital in the beginning, I recommend scalping, get in, get out as fast as possible, lock in your profits, but do not combine swing trading and day trading on the same account unless you have very, very minimal risk. Reason being is when you're scalping, you tend to increase your risk. You're getting in, you're getting out. You're not holding it overnight. So you're watching the charts as you're trading. Whereas in swing trading, it's day to day. So you're going to go to bed. You might go for a run. You might spend time with your family or friends. So you don't have as much accessibility to sit down and watch the chart. So when you combine those two, you're typically over leveraging. You have too much action going on that one account. So what Seven and I like to do is have multiple accounts for swing trading, day trading, our signal tracking account. We have multiple different accounts for multiple different things. So if you can, definitely separate the three, separate the two, whatever kind of strategies you're going into this with. But just be aware of that, guys. You can definitely kind of mess yourself up if you combine all of this into one.
Definitely. Like
we've known from experience.
Yeah, we've done this for 8 years plus, maybe longer for Brad, like 7 probably for me, and no pun intended, literally probably 7 years. Everything's 7 for me, though. 7 God. But anyway, Brad's been trading probably a little longer than that too, so we've had a lot of ups and downs, but overall it's been good. It's been positive and profitable, and that's the key. We just want you guys to learn from some of our mistakes and stuff. So
Definitely. Do what they do, get what they get, guys. It's a pretty simple formula. Everybody thinks that becoming successful, becoming wealthy is this crazy, like, oh my gosh, they had some secret sauce. They knew people that I didn't know. It's literally do what they do, get what they get. It's plain and simple. I know it sounds like, oh, that's too good to be true. That doesn't make any sense. It's got to be more difficult than that. It is not. If you want to be a great basketball player, look at Michael Jordan, look at some of the greats, duplicate what they do, and you will get similar results. Obviously, and stuff like that, some of the biological factors go into play there, but basically do what they do, get what they get.
If you trained as much as Kobe, you could be able to shoot, or as much as Steph Curry or something. Like, you could literally be able to be a pretty good shooter. If you work on your handling, you're dribbling 2 balls for hours every day, something like, you're gonna get results.
You talking about my girl? You talking about? No, I'm just playing.
No, you know when 2 people have the ball, they have a ball in both hands, I guess you're handling ridiculous. So if you do that, you'll be good. I'm ass at basketball. I'm dope at football and track and shit. Just personal shit you got. Like, just, we're trying to share more stuff about ourselves. But anyway, I'm shit at basketball, but I knew people who were good at it, and they fucking dribbled all the time and shot the ball all the time. So yeah, you'll fucking get better and better as you practice and do the things that we do, because we're doing it successfully. You guys are in the signals with us, so we're seeing you're making the pips and shit. So just do what we do. Take our signals at your discretion. This is what we recommend, but we are not financial advisors. So if you want to take them, you can. But if you do what we do, you probably will have certain success, or possibly. I have to say that stuff. Definitely.
Put that disclaimer in there for sure.
You guys see we were at like 65 for a second, heading back toward the 80 range. The profits.
Yeah, once this breaks here, we should just be dropping straight to the depths of hell. A lot of people will say bullish for an uptrend, bearish for a downtrend. We still say those things, but Seven and I just have a little inside joke. We're like, it's going to heaven if it's going up, or it's going to the depths of hell if it starts dropping. So exactly. We're hoping gold goes to the depths of hell this week. Yeah. And this is just a taste for like our future live trading videos, guys. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We need you guys. We need your support. Please subscribe. We will be doing these live, so you guys will actually be able to interact with us and to be on here while we are actually trading, rather than seeing the aftermath once we get to those 1,000 subscribers. So definitely subscribe, guys. This is just basically a taste of what is to come. Definitely follow us, subscribe, please. I cannot emphasize that enough. And we will start doing live trading sessions. You guys can ask us questions and watch real time while we're basically. No, I can't say that. Never mind. I'm not going to say that. Never mind.
Also, guys, like, to do the giveaways, you have to comment. If you're not commenting, we can't do the giveaways. So obviously right now we're in a beginner stage and there's not a crazy amount of comments and but we're happy we're getting views. We broke 1,000 views on a recent video. So thank you guys for that. But we need to hit 1 million. So
yeah, that's the main goal, I would say, is to make investing more accessible. We're not even necessarily trying. We understand that not everyone is going to get rich. Not everybody is destined to be rich. But what if you could have additional income coming in aside from just your 9-to-5 job? What if you could start bringing in additional cash to pay for vacations, to just build your assets overall for the long term? And then you could cut that retirement curve in half, or possibly even in thirds. That's basically one of the things that we are trying to do, is to make investing more accessible to the average person. They don't teach this shit in school. All they do is E equals MC squared and all this other fucking bullshit that, unless you're going into engineering or extreme mathematics, most of the stuff that you're teaching you is just bullshit. The educational system is fucking broken. So you need to take self-education into your own hand, guys. You have to.
I love the term autodidactic. That's what I consider myself. It basically means you're self-taught. You teach yourself things, you learn just knowledge on your own and just apply it to your life. Like YouTube University is incredible, which is YouTube. You can learn an insane amount of stuff from that, and obviously many websites. Things like YouTube, like you're watching us, and our courses, of course, is another way to learn a lot of things.
That's what I find hilarious. Like, people literally come up to me all the time and ask me, like, some of the, no offense, they say there's no stupid question. Bullshit. There's so many fucking stupid questions out there, guys. But so many people come up to me and ask me a simple question, and I'll be like, I don't know, give me 1 sec. I pull up my smartphone, I go on fucking Google, and I find out the answer, and I'm like, oh, here it is. And they're like, oh, thanks a lot, as if they couldn't do that themselves. They're asking me for directions somewhere when they have a smartphone in their hand that they could easily pop into Google Maps and find out how to fucking get there. But so many people would rather just basically be led to the water than to actually go to the water and to drink on their own. So many people are not self-sufficient, and if you want to make it in this world, if you want to be successful, have wealth, you have to learn to be self-sufficient and to self-educate oneself, guys. You have to do it. Yeah. But what the fuck? Why is gold not dropping? Right before you guys got on here, we were like, it just started coming down pretty nice. Then we started seeing some definitely strong bearish sentiment, but right now
is
it's
it
kind of
possible
just like,
for you to zoom it in a little bit?
Whoops. Yeah, let me lock my screen. Yeah, you see that? I'm number 1, savage as fuck. Zoom in like this.
Yeah. You kind of see it
Move
just a little bit better, guys. Yeah,
so what we're looking for is this
breaks that,
this open
that SIR line right there.
It's got to break the SIR line. And whenever, all right, for future videos, what we're going to start saying, anytime a SIR line gets broken, we want everybody that's on the live stream with us to go, yes, sir. I'm just kidding.
Why not?
Jared was like, wow, that was like the dumbest thing you've ever said.
No, it's fine. It looks like that sparks gold to drop.
Up your strength. Of course, my battery is getting low on my Mac. All right, you guys can keep watching this.
I'm team PC. Brad's team Mac. Actually also probably am getting a MacBook for like music producing mobile, like more portably. But yeah, Brad he's team Mac.
All day. I'll be back on the video in a second. I just gotta get my charger.
Tell me, you guys say if you're team PC or team Mac. I actually like both, but I've used PCs for like editing, for music production, everything like that. Like I'm just used to PC. So Brad is more used to PC as well, but he uses the Mac now.
Yeah, it's just integrated very nicely with my tablet. I have an Apple Watch. I have the
iPhone and the iPad. Yeah, they all like.
It just all integrates very well. Yeah, so moral of the story, guys, definitely subscribe to our videos. We have a lot of content coming. The only way we can do live streams is if you guys show your support on our YouTube channel. That way we can have these sessions with you guys live, be more interactive. This was just a kind of choppy little taste of what is to come. But just for a quick little update, we are looking for gold to break this previous open right here from Sunday. If we see this breakdown, we are looking for gold to retouch and to go down to the 1700 ranges. So definitely pay attention to gold, and let's catch some profits together, guys.
Yeah, definitely. Make sure you join our Discord chat in the description. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, everything. Our personal pages, our POE page, everything. Lots of content coming out, Forex-wise, music-wise, just brand-wise, personally. We are interesting people, so check us out.
Definitely.
Yeah. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you comment. These giveaways are coming.